The DJI Phantom 3 standard quadcopter is ready to fly with a built-in 2.7K resolution video camera that provides an excellent capturing facility with integrated 3-axis gimbals. It has a built-in GPS that records the drone's takeoff point, hence making it easier to return. The intelligent battery system helps report the status and can last up to 25 minutes. The device is equipped with 4 LEDs that help provide direction. It can cover a range of 5 kilometers, in other words 3.1 miles, with a facility to transmit the live view to the mobile device. The drone bears an automatic flight assistant, making it suitable and hassle-free for beginners. Until the next command is given, the drone hovers in the air and waits for the next instruction. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video.